So Luz, you can answer number 1, please. Are there parks close to your house?
Parks close to your house. ¿Y cómo es la contestación? ¿Cómo contestaría esa pregunta?
So, ¿hay parques cerca de tu casa? Primero, ¿sí o no?
Yes.
Good. So if we have yes, all right, down here. Yes. There are parks close to my house.
Close to my house.
So remember, it's the opposite. Are there? Yes, there are.
There are.
Claro?
Yep.
All right. Nola's still having problems. So let's see, Luz, can you do number 2? Are there churches close to your house?
Yes, there are churches close to my house.
Perfect. See, number 3, what do you like about your house?
I like the area.
Good.
It's
like
close to my job.
So the location is good. Perfect. What do you not like about your house?
Out to my house. I don't like kitchen in my house.
Good. You don't like the kitchen.
Because it's too small.
Good. Manolo, can you hear me? Maybe not. I don't know how to help. Sorry. That's okay. I don't know. We'll continue on. So Luz, what do you think is the best color to paint a house?
The best paint is white.
Good. What about the worst color to paint a house?
Worst colors, paint the house. Brown colors, like dark.
It's like dark brown, black,
dark
maybe.
Brown, black, purple,
green.
Dark.
Yeah, they're all very strange for houses.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the name of your neighborhood?
I don't know. Mambelo?
Mambelo? Good. Hola, Manolo, ¿puedes escuchar?
Ahorita sí, que hace rato no podía conectarme.
Sí, lo siento. So Manolo, for you, how about number 8? How do you get to your house? We'll say, how do you get from the school to your house?
No entiendo eso.
So the question, how do you get to your house from here? Pero en este momento no son en la escuela. So how do you get to your house from the school? Do you walk? Do you drive a car? Do you take the bus?
Oh, I drive a car.
Okay, good. Luz, number 9 says, what is your first love's name?
Oh, I forgot.
Yes, I don't remember. It's okay. Luz, what is your husband's name?
My husband's name is Ricardo.
Very good. See, and Manolo, 11, where do you like to eat?
I like to eat in my house.
Good. Why do you like to eat there?
Because my sister-in-law make delicious food.
So she cooks for you?
Yeah.
Very good. And she's a good cook? She makes delicious food?
Yeah.
Lucky. Very good. Okay. Any questions right now?
No.
Okay. So next, we'll do a little reading here about online shopping. Luz, do you go shopping online a lot?
No, I never do that, but my sons, yeah.
So
And
your
sometimes
sons,
they help me.
good. Manolo, do you buy things online?
No, I don't buy things online.
Okay, good. All right. Yeah, so example on the left here is from what year? Luz, what year is this?
1979.
Perfect. And Manolo, what year is this from?
2019.
19, good, 2019. So lots of time, lots of change.
Uh-huh.
All right, so let's do some reading. Luz, please read this first paragraph.
Online shopping is the process of researching and buying product or service over the internet.
Excuse me. Yeah, very good.
Wake up, okay?
I think I need some coffee. I know it's like 1 p.m., but I'm tired. Okay, but very good. Yeah, so especially in this time when everyone's at home, we can't go to a store. So online shopping, super popular. All right, Manolo, can you read the second paragraph, please?
Okay. The earliest online stores went into business in 1992, and online shopping took over a large segment of the retail market during the first decade of the 21st century.
So remember how to say one and ST is first.
First, 21st.
So 21st.
21st century has more people began to own personal computer, and established stores began to offer their products for sale over the internet.
Very good. Questions here?
Nami.
What does this word began? What does this one mean? So it's a past tense word. In the present, we use begin.
Begin.
Como comenzar. And began is past. Como like comenzó. Okay, so as more people began to own personal computers, and the stores began to offer their products for sale over the internet. Okay, any other questions?
No.
Okay, all right, our next part. There you go, Luz. Okay, can you please read?
Okay. Today we don't think twice about it, we don't even need in this desktop
A desktop
computer or laptop anymore, just a mobile phone with app or browser.
Good.
Browser. We can find nearly every product available, including expensive items like cars and house at the cheapest price, and we can do so from any location without
worrying
about going to the store. No wonder it's one of the fastest growing industries in the world.
Very good. Okay, so it says today we don't think twice about it. So this word, how many times is twice?
Twice.
Dos veces.
So twice is 2 times.
Two
So
times.
now, if you say someone you don't think twice, saying you think once and decide. Right? So now, like, oh, do I want to buy something online? Do I want to go to the store? Is it cheaper online? Now you can just use a cell phone and buy anything online.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we don't think about it. And we don't need a computer or a laptop, just a cell phone.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. So I could buy a car or a house online. Good. And this last part, no wonder. This is like kind of saying, of course, por supuesto. Una de industrias ingresado más rápido.
It's funny, 2 or 3 months ago, one of my son, he buy a car.
Yeah.
And buy for internet, and they bring like Pizza Hut, bring at home.
Wow, so they delivered the car?
It's delivered,
Wow, right?
Yeah.
So easy. Say, I want to buy a car, and it appears at your house.
Yeah, it's, I don't know, I don't believe.
Right. Yeah. Exactly. Of course, lots of people want to use this. It's incredible. It's almost unbelievable.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. So these are a little small to read, so don't worry about reading all the words. We also want to look at customer reviews, right? So here it says how many stars, what comments do customers have? So if you want a good way to practice English, look at some online shopping, read the reviews. People say good things, bad things. How many stars?
How many stars?
Yeah, so here's a couple examples. Yeah, is it 5 stars or 1 star? What do people think? All right. Let's do these questions. So Manolo, for you, number 1. Do you shop online?
No, I don't shop online.
Good. Why not?
Maybe I don't need.
You don't need to? It's not.
No, I don't need.
Not too important to you? Okay. Liz, do you shop online?
No, not me. When I need to do something.
Just me then. I shop online a lot.
I buy it, but my son doing for me because I don't know. I don't know about the computers and yeah.
Good. So they help you. Good. Yeah. You're just me. I go shopping online, but Liz and Manolo is like, not too important. Okay, good. I hear you can use a computer, a phone, a tablet. So let's answer just in general, what kind of things do people buy online? What can you buy online? Give me some examples.
Who?
Just in
Who,
general.
me or?
Luz, you first.
Okay. What kind of thing do you buy online? I buy a machine for the cut hair.
A machine to cut hair?
Uh-huh.
Oh, like a razor?
Yeah, like razor.
Maybe. I'll find you a picture of what I mean.
I don't know
Sorry,
what is
one
the
second.
name of the machines.
Yeah. Is it like this?
Oh, yeah. Like this.
Okay. In English, the name for that is a razor. Not so important, but good.
Right.
So you bought that online. Did you cut your hair?
My son and my husband.
You cut
You
their
know, now
hair.
it's close to the where they cut hair, and I cut hair for my husband and my son.
Perfect. Yeah. So if you can't go outside, you have to order some things online.
Yeah.
Good. Manolo, what kind of things do you prefer to buy from a physical store?
Oh, I would like to buy a computer online.
Good. So you want to buy a computer online?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Like soon?
Maybe.
Might be good.
Yeah.
So computer, it can give you all the information. For my example, I like to buy clothes in a physical store.
Physical, yeah, me too.
Because online, sometimes it's difficult. How big is this? Is it too small? But with physical stores, you can touch it. You can see.
Yeah.
And see, Luz, do you shop on Amazon or other online stores?
Amazon.
Just Amazon. Good. Manolo, do you use Amazon?
No, I am not just Amazon.
You do not use Amazon. Good. Let's see. Manolo, how about number 7? Do you read customer reviews before buying a product?
Yes, I read the reviews before buying a product.
Very good. Do you write customer reviews?
No, I don't write.
Just read them. Good. Luz, do you read customer reviews?
Yes. Always I review.
Do you write customer reviews ever? Luz, ¿estás aquí?
Sí.
Oh, okay. Good, okay. Yo no puedo escuchar, lo siento. Do you write customer reviews?
Right? Or no?
No, you just read them?
Yes, read them. Yeah.
Good. Yeah, for me, sometimes the customer reviews are confusing. One person is perfect, 5 stars, and the next review is like 1 star, terrible. So it's funny to me. Sometimes they're so different. Very good. Okay.